Hi everyone, Ed here. Um, Going to change the controls on my 2010 HHR because you can see they're kind of worn out. I use this for work, and primarily that's all I do is I'm in the car all day, so the controls themselves are kind of worn. So I picked up a new set that I'm going to put in the car. And one of the things you have to do is you have to remove your airbag and get it out of the way so that you can uh, detach these with the screws that are right here and right over there. And probably the biggest issue I've seen online and stuff is just popping out the airbag itself. Make sure you use a flat type head screwdriver. Make sure it's got some length to it too. You don't want to try doing this with a short one because you'll just go bonkers trying to push the spring that is right there over toward the center to release the airbag. Make sure that when you do put it in the hole, that you have it this way and not this way. If you do that, you're never going to hit the spring. So basically you want to have it in this way, and then you're going to stick it in the hole that is right here. Now, put it in, and put it in at about the 3 o'clock position, and just make sure that everything is parallel and straight, and just push, and you can see by the motion that the spring will get out of the way and you can pull at the cover, and then do that at the same on the other side. Just make sure that it's basically at the 3 o'clock position and that you just go straight right in. No going up or down or anything like that. Just go straight right in, and you'll hit the spring, and you'll feel it, and then you can replace it. You can release it, I mean, and then you can pull out the airbag and go on and either replace the controls like I'm going to do, or if you needed to replace the airbag, obviously you've got a little bit more work for you to do ahead of this. I also disconnected the battery, the negative side, and I waited probably about 15 minutes before I started monkeying around with this. Some people actually disconnect the connector to the airbag and also pull out the circuit breaker for it. I just went and disconnected the battery, and I'm still here, so I'm okay. Hopefully this will guide you when you're trying to pop off that airbag, because that's as far as I'm concerned, probably the biggest issue, just trying to hit that spring, especially when you're trying to stick something in there and you can't see what you're doing. So hopefully this will help you guys out, and have a great day.